Hey guys, what's good? It's your boy Harrison back again with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn £50 into £500 in 24 hours, guys. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm going to run you through what I did to turn £50 into £500 in less than 24 hours, guys. I'm going to show you the actual strategy that I used at the very end of the video. So guys, stay tuned, watch the whole video right to the end, alright? So I'm going to quickly run through, so I'll show you some of the profits, show you exactly what I was doing in order to turn 50 into £500 in less than 24 hours. And in fact, it was less than 24 hours, okay? It wasn't more than 24 hours. It wasn't a 30-day thing where you place a trade, come back the next day, you place another trade, come back the next day, you place another trade. This all happened in less than 24 hours, family. So guys, like I said, get your notepads, get your pens, get everything, because it's about to go down. I'm going to record my phone as well, because this is where the majority of all the information is. All right, so let me just quickly bring this up real quick. I'm going to quickly record my screen so y'all can see this stuff. All right, so let me quickly go to my squad. This is part of my team. So I'm gonna start from the very bottom. All right, family, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit play. This was me, as you can see, it does say you, and it says you, okay? This was on the 26th of June, all right? You can see that on the 26th of June, all in one day, I made about 500, and I believe it was £536 profit by trading 0.05s, family. Look, 0.05s, you can see that. It doesn't show how much I deposited because it was a small account, roughly about £50. But look, I got up to £536 in one day, family. One day. Beautiful stuff, all right? Beautiful stuff. And that was on the 26th of July. You can see what I'm trading, 0.05s, really small amounts. So I'm in multiple currency pairs multiple times, yeah? And so that was on the 26th of June. So when I move down now, this is the 11th of July. So you can see that completely a separate month, a different month. I posted this one, and check this out, £540 again, really small account balance, all right? It was a really small account balance, £540 again. And as you can see, I'm in it with 0.05s all the time. And guys, I will show you the strategy at the very end, so guys, stay tuned. So literally small lot sizes, but big profits, beautiful profits. And this is all in one day, once again, in 24 hours, family, yeah? And as you can see, I had my other orders ready to go, because sometimes I was at work at the time and I couldn't look at my phone, so I had all these different pending orders ready to go. And then when I move on to the next one, that's the 11th of July, move on to 11th of July, continue actually. I believe I actually got it to 1k, so this was just showing up to about £900 roughly, but I believe it actually went up to 1k. So this was just absolutely powerful, beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff. I was in multiple pairs multiple times, and as you can see, gold was just doing bits. I look, 0.05, and I took home £126 on gold. And as you can see, there's a lot more. There's just tons of profit up in this joint, all right? 0.05, family, 0.05 is literally beautiful. And then we keep it moving now. But then when I show you this now, let me just quickly check out this. Was it this one? Was that another one? £626. Look at it. Check this out. This was on the 9th of August now, yeah? The last one I showed you was the 11th of July. This one's the 9th of August. And as you can see, using the same strategy. These are for people with those really small accounts, okay? And they want to make big profits. Look, if you just utilize this one strategy, guys, you win. It's as simple as that, simple as that. As you can see, I'm showing you different months because I want to show you that I was able to do this consistently, all right? So this was £637. And family, check this out. This was just beautiful. So this is when I made 4 figures using the exact same strategy. 0.05s, family, I'm telling you, this was just powerful. 0.05s, I'm in multiple currencies, multiple times, okay? But look, it's all strategic. I know exactly what I was doing, you know, and it was just absolutely beautiful. It was amazing, man. It was amazing. And I was able to make, look, 4 figures from using this exact same strategy that I'm going to show you guys at the very end, all right? So guys, this was powerful. And then let me show you, this is the last one I'm going to show you. So that was the 29th of September. So this is happening over months and months and months, different months, you know, just showing you. The last one I'm going to show you is this one here. So this one here. So I was up roughly about £440, you know, in this one here. But obviously once you get a lot more confident in the market and you're confident in your strategy, you can see that it changed from 0.05 to 0.01s. And 2s, you understand? And now you're able to make a lot more money in a shorter period of time. So this was just beautiful stuff. So I just wanted to show you guys that it is possible to do all of this within 24 hours, to turn £50 to £500 in 24 hours, okay? Now it comes to the strategy, okay? To the beautiful strategy that I was using. This is the strategy. So first of all, you have to find a market that is trending. You can't do this with any currency pair that's consolidating. You can't do this with any currency pair that's just shaky, just messy. You have to find a trending market. So higher highs, higher lows, or lower lows and lower highs continuously. Once you get that, you want to come and do this. So I've got a little image for you guys right here. Let's go for it right here. Let's record my screen again. I might even just drop the picture actually. All right, family, so this is a trending market, okay? So this is one of my markups from a while ago. You can see that GBP NZD was creating lower lows and lower highs, right? Lower lows and lower highs. Every single time it bounced from some kind of support, I put a little support zone there. And all I did was this, I waited for a price to break that support zone, come back up for a retest, and then jump in again. And I did it over and over and over again. Every single time it broke a zone, I waited for it to come back for a retest, jumped in. Break a zone, wait for it to come back and retest, jumped in. No buys, no buys whatsoever. Straight sells. I couldn't care less about the buy. You know, I only cared about the sell because I was trading 0.05s, but my aim was to get that 0.05 all the way up to 1 lot sizes using good risk management, using good everything. But this was my way to do it, all right? Broke a zone, retest, I jumped in. Broke a zone, retest, I jumped in. As you can see, GPNs, if I zoom in now, you can see this, look. Every single time it broke a zone, I jumped in. This is on a 4-hour chart, family. 4-hour chart, broke a zone, jumped in. Broke a zone, jumped in. Broke a zone, jumped in. The only negative thing I know about this strategy is that sometimes when you go to add a position, sometimes the market might spike you out, hit your stop loss, and then continue to go down. So in this case, where you see it was negative £43 and I had £784 on my account, so I was just showing the team again how to do this exact same strategy that I'm doing. It stopped me out about 9-10 times basically, but because I had so much money in the account in the open trades, obviously they wouldn't close all my trades. I'm in heavy profits. But as you can see, I'm using the exact same strategy. As an example, check this out. Check this out right here. This is one example, right? It broke the zone, came up for a retest, went back down, and then pushed up and broke the resistance. That would have been one of the cases where I would have been stopped out, you know, of the trade, and that would have been a losing trade. All my other trades will still be running. It will just be my current trades, the ones that I just placed, would have been stopped out. And by the way as well, with all these trades, before I jumped in, I was risk-free in all of them. The moment it broke a zone, came up for a retest, I was instantly in profit anyway, the risk-free the whole trade, waited for it to break another zone, retest, jumped in for a sell, instantly in profit, risk-free. So this is the strategy. So find a trend in the market, no consolidation, anything. And if I was you, stay in line with the market flow. Don't try and do this with a pullback, okay? So just try find a pair that's making an impulsive move or an expansive move. Use this same strategy on that pair. This basically was 1,000% return in 24 hours, family, and it's just crazy. It's unheard of. People don't do this. I'm not saying that, you know, we're going to be doing this all the time, family, okay? I'm just saying that if you find something that's creating low lows, lower highs, it's trending, for example, yeah, apply the strategy. Apply it, see how you get on. Let me know. Let me know whether it's working for you. Let me know whether it didn't work for you. Let me know whether you got stopped out. Let your man know. Alright, finally, just before I end the video, I want to quickly talk about the kind of mindset you need to have to be able to trade that strategy, alright? So first things first, you can't be somebody who hesitates to take trades. If you're a person who, like, you see your setup there and you hesitate, this might not necessarily be the best one for you because you might hesitate, miss the entry completely, you know, and then all of a sudden you're waiting for another zone to be broken and retested and you've missed an opportunity, alright? That's just one thing. You need to be an aggressive kind of trader. The moment it hits your confirmation, the moment it's at your entry, you enter that thing. You enter it, no hesitation. No if this happens, what if it takes me out? No, you enter the trade, as simple as that. You don't want to be risking big lots, you know, to try and do that kind of thing. You don't need to do that stuff because overall, you're going to be in that trade so many times that you're in it with a big lot size anyway. Then you can chill, relax, go and do what you want to do, go and enjoy with your friends, go do whatever you want to do. Don't forget, you can't have a hesitation kind of mindset. You need to have an aggressive kind of mindset. It's at your entry, you're in. And I know it's gone a little bit darker, but I thought about this after I recorded the video, and now I'm chucking it in right now, so you guys know the kind of mindset you need to have. Alright, family, so there you have it. That was how you turn £50 to £500 in less than 24 hours. Hopefully you guys liked the video. If you guys are going to try out the strategy, let me know in the comments. Look, I'm here, you know, I'm showing you guys my life and showing you guys my vlogging life, showing you guys what I do, how I trade. You can watch it and jump in, or you can just, you know, just watch it for entertainment purposes. Do whatever you want to do, man. I just enjoy making these videos and I love making videos for you guys. So guys, comment down below what you want to see next. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and remember to turn on my notifications so you guys are aware whenever I release these bangers. And until next time, don't sleep, fam.